In this video, we'll show you how to replace the knock sensor on your Ford Edge. This is located in the front of the vehicle and on the front side of the engine. Let's get started. To remove the engine cover, you can simply pop it up. It's good to do the front first and then the back. We can just set that off to the side. Looking down on the front of the engine, from the front of the car, we find one of the knock sensors underneath the intake manifold. We'll be looking at the driver's side. Go ahead and remove the electrical connector. Pop that out from its housing. We have a small tab to press in on. You can simply press in on the tab and pull out on the connector. You always want to make sure to check your terminals for any corrosion or damage. We can remove the bolt holding in the knock sensor with a 10mm. And we can remove the knock sensor. When installing the knock sensor, you want to make sure that it's installed in the same orientation as the old one you removed. You can get the electrical connector back together. And get the connector back onto its bracket. Now we can snug down the bolt. And we can torque this to 177 inch-pounds. Line up the grommets and press down on the engine cover. Start the vehicle and make sure you don't have a check engine light. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.